We're here with Style Canada for 3 days and we're headed to lunch. We just drove here from the city and I'm so excited because it's actually like 18 degrees outside.
It's summer.
Yeah.
It is so warm.
Nice. It's such a cute little town. I love cute little towns. Custom perfume making at Orris Labs. Are you going in?
We have 3 types of notes. We have our top notes, the top tier. The middle notes are your middle rocks, and the base on the bottom. The top notes are the first scent that you smell when you first spray your perfume. So it's the initial impression of your scent.
For scents, what are you usually?
No, it's okay.
What are you usually into? Like,
Oh, I kind of like sweet and like fresh scents. Like I actually, I'm not very good at describing scents.
no,
Like,
I know. I
I'm like,
asked
what am I
if
even
I'm
doing?
I don't know either.
Right.
But you know, some are like. I think the only ones I know would be like musky. Thank you.
Try the bamboo as well.
It's not like a marshmallow, yes, I would say, like candy. It has not that true marshmallow, so you would smell like true
Peach is
marshmallow.
beautiful too. The guava is very different.
Scent overload though.
I know we've smelled like over 40 scents. Like there's
And I
so
think
many scents.
all of them
I like all the sweet scents.
Indecision
Like I just like
paralysis.
anything sweet.
Oh, yeah, unless there was one that you really, like, I just went,
Professional for people that are first emailing me.
I was like, I LOL'd, so that's good enough for me.
Whatever. I can't be that.
oh, it's a black tea.
Oh, I like bamboo. Yes. Okay. Cute. Okay. Oh, cute. Staying at the Scotsman. This is so
The one thing I will just know about breakfast, so we will meet, and I'll tell you this tonight, but just be finished eating before 9:45, because the
Oh yeah. So beautiful. The artwork. Wow, so loud.
so nice. Wow. I love it. Stunning. Am I in your way? This is the Kilfinnan. No, this one's not ours. I'm just filming it.
Oh no way. No.
Wait.
This is Barbie.
Do we like it? We love it. We're actually, you'll hear in the middle of the night, like,
We're in this one. The Balmoral. Oh yeah, it's cute. Yeah. Wait, the bathroom's really cute. No. Shut up.
you know where I'll be sitting.
Wait, you guys don't mind if we're filming this, right?
Hi you guys.
We checked in, but we were so exhausted.
We laid on the bed.
We laid on the bed and then we got ready in like
Oh.
15 minutes.
You want to see some behind the scenes footage of Jen breaking her tripod?
I know, and I just got it on Amazon.
It's really funny. You
I
guys
feel like I'm gonna be able to fix it though.
maybe. She was on the toilet and then you almost fell off the toilet and then she hit her phone against the but it was the tripod's fault. To be fair,
I
it was
know,
broken.
But it's such a beautiful day and we're headed to dinner now. We're going to the 11th Post.
So excited.
It's right beside the perfume making thing, which is
Yeah.
so convenient for our hotel.
It's such a close walk too, which is nice because it's getting a little bit darker and gloomy.
I'm so excited.
Me too.
Now we're headed to the 11th post for dinner. Is it? I know.
You guys go to so many things together. It's really sweet.
Oh, sorry.
That would have.
That's good.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, that's what Where's the light? That's where
Oh, I think it might be your water.
No, my water's there, but I can take this water. Where? Oh no, I put my fork and knife on my lap.
That's so good.
I don't forget my light. I know what I was doing in the state. I forgot my light.
Did you take it out? Oh, that's so cute.
Has she been sleeping?
Is it good? So good.
Oh my gosh, it's such a, how fat this is.
Really good. The burger's really good. I love.
Oh my god.
Okay, it's day 2 at Niagara-on-the-Lake, and we just got ready. And then we're headed down for breakfast, but it's raining all day. But we're gonna be going out to wineries.
Oh, we're both wearing kind of pearl
I know,
earrings.
cute. And thankfully, we're going to have like a bus transporting us.
Yeah,
so,
because
like,
it's raining outside. We
I
wanted to take
know.
photos, and then we woke up this morning. We're like, "Good morning," and
there's rain. Yesterday was so nice, though.
It was so
Hopefully the sun
good.
comes out later.
It will
Fingers crossed.
manifest.
So crazy because like we pretty much had the entire place to ourselves. I feel like this would be really cute too. So here's a little breakfast station, and then we also ordered. Oh, I'm so bad. There's like a,
Oh, sorry. Did you want mine? I always order. When
oh no. I feel like it's a little. Like they're the ceramic Tiffany cups.
I don't know.
These are like expensive.
The sugar's so
Breakfast. Like oh, hopefully the rain stops.
yeah. We were gonna get up and take some photos outside.
Yeah.
Just the rain.
I don't know what I didn't actually see what tomorrow was like yet.
They came and installed the mirrors. You can go right in. That gorgeous
Wow.
organza fabric is from Japan. It's extremely light. These will be costumes for the show.
Hi.
There's more. They're coming. They're coming.
So today I'm just dulling down a Rolex watch because it's too bright for on the stage. So I do a lot of really strange, bizarre things. And this is all my stuff actually as the accessories. So from gloves to scarves to skimpy underwear.
It's so pretty.
I know.
For each show they have a different designer.
As our time is ticking away.
So
We're so proud. My ears off.
Hi.
Watch the heat there. Who are you all people coming here?
Okay, we're gonna go into the non-dusty room.
When that door closes.
We are under the stage.
Wow.
So are you familiar with the trap room and what it does?
No.
It does hide people, yes. Falling down the stairs. So when that happened, this whole mechanism shifted this way and he fell onto this bed.
Oh.
So there's spotters down here making sure that he...
Yeah, so your table is set up.
So when you're swirling the wine, you're swirling it to bring the aromas up to the rim of the glass. You want to swirl and sniff right away. Our nose and our sense of smell has such a huge impact on how we taste. If you think about when you have a cold and your nose is stuffy, how you nothing tastes quite right. Yeah. So swirling the wine and then smelling it. There you go.
She chokes.
Okay, don't choke.
Do you know how to do it?
No.
Can you do the thing?
I tried.
If you're worried about choking, if you lean forward a little bit,
You're welcome.
This one is.
All right, so we're moving on to the Meritage. So a Meritage is a New World Bordeaux style wine. So you can only call wines from Bordeaux, Bordeaux. Two different principles. You can work on pairing similar things on the table wine.
This one is an ice wine next. Cheers. We do it again.
Oh, it smells so sweet.
What was yesterday? A beer what? I don't know anymore.
Barbecue chicken flatbread.
When you open it, they're waiting.
Wait, why? Why are you laughing?
No, actually, I don't care. She opened the door and they're waiting.
We're at Consoman for our second junk food and wine tasting. Hello!
Hey, welcome.
I know, you look like the tour. You're like the tour guide.
I love having my friends over, you know.
Welcome to my home.
This is my home service. This is my room service. So you can.
How's your taste?
Dry. Yo, that is hilarious.
I think I'm more of a sweet one girly.
How do you like the truffle? Now, here's the thing. Let me ask you two questions. Who now?
Oh my god. You know what I'm learning? From this
I'd be singing along to the backtrack, or you know, the soundtrack in the back.
Oh yeah, we didn't do this one.
Cheers.
I want some. Oh, she can.
Oh, I'm not drinking.
She can't over there.
Now at Trius. I love this part of the.
This is.
Now at Trius Winery for our little dinner.
Really, is it just a good time? Just coming down.
Oh, sorry, yeah.
Morning, everybody. So most of you have the soup. So there's going to be a honey bread there with a herb burrata,
Thank you so
spiced pumpkin
much.
seeds, butternut squash jam, and then our squash soup to go over.
That's really good.
Lamb sirloin sits on top of the red wine cabbage. There's a merguez sausage on top of that. And the copper pot is going to be our lamb pot pie with our red wine cheese. Baby, toasted almonds in the orange.
Thank you. It's our last day in Niagara-on-the-Lake, and then we're going to head back to Toronto, but this was such a fun trip with Style Canada, so thank you so much for having me. It feels very, very lucky to go on these types of things, and I honestly don't go on so many, so this was just such a great experience, and I got to check out all the amazing places in Niagara-on-the-Lake, and I love doing little staycations from Toronto, so this was such a fun little weekend, and I'm definitely going to be back because I'm going to be seeing the tulips when they first bloom, which is also in Niagara-on-the-Lake, I think on May 1st. So yeah, I'll see you guys then. that's officially the end of our Niagara-on-the-Lake weekend.
Aw.
Week, not weekend.
Week.
It's a Monday. It's a Wednesday.
It's Wednesday today.
Yeah, what was your review?
Of what? The whole week?
Whole week, or your favorite, your highlights.
My highlight was Donna at the winery.
I know. I don't know if I got clips of Dawn at the winery, but she was.
Oh, you got.
I probably got clips of her talking in the background when I was filming. Yeah,
so funny.
That was a very interesting experience.
That was nice, and honestly, the girls that we stayed with,
yeah,
like
so sweet.
how nice everybody was. I feel like that was the highlight.
Yeah, the group was so good.
So good.
The food was good.
Yeah.
Well, we were just fed a lot of food.
It was a food tour. It was a Niagara food tour.
But the hotel was really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
That was good.
Well, we'll see you guys back in Toronto.
Bye.